British citizen Mr. Andrew Philip Hancock was vacating at the Lasages Hotel over the weekend, where Ms. Jessica Colker and her husband were staying. He was the first witness to be called to the stand. He gave an account of some of the events which transpired on Sunday, leading up to around midday when Ms. Jessica Colker's body was found at a secluded beach at Lasages. Some of the information which was revealed in court cannot be disclosed by the media because of legal restrictions. The senior Crown Counsel in the Office of the Director of Public Prosecution, Howard Pinnock, is the lead prosecutor in the case.
Certainly, the law prescribes, and there are two bits of legislation here in Grenada. There's a Criminal Procedure Preliminary Inquiries Act 1978, and it does prescribe what the media can and cannot report. The media can, of course, report the name of the accused, the names of the witnesses, the magistrate, the court, the names of counsel who appear in the matter. It can also report the charge, whether it is murder, whether it is rape, the type of offense. But it cannot report on the evidence itself. It cannot say, for example, that it cannot comment on whether the case is strong or whether the case is weak. It cannot comment on the guilt or the innocence of the accused person.
He explained the rationale for starting the inquiry early.
We take this matter very seriously. We don't want it to be prolonged in the courts, as we take any other matter. So I'm not saying we are singling out this matter for special attention. We try to ensure that matters of this nature, where persons are in custody, are expedited as quickly as possible.
The prosecution expects to call a total of 18 witnesses.
Started the preliminary inquiry this morning, as you would realize. We started the evidence of one of the witnesses who is from the United Kingdom. He has to return next week, Saturday, so we hope to complete his evidence certainly before that. Witnesses are still coming forward and giving statements, and we would also urge the public, anyone who has any information, because investigation is not closed, though we have arrested and charged, of course, one person. Investigation is not closed. We are just urging the public, anyone that has any information, especially in relation to any contact with the accused man after the 24th, on the 24th or after the 24th.
After more than 2 hours in the court, Magistrate Karen Noel remanded the accused Dave Martin Benjamin back to the Richmond Hill Prison. The inquiry continues on Monday. Colin Campbell, GBN News. After more than 2 hours in the court, Magistrate Karen Noel remanded the accused Dave Martin Benjamin to the Richmond Hill Prison. The inquiry continues on Monday. Reporting from the St. David's Magistrate Court, I am Colin Campbell.